This home went from charming to jaw-dropping. Let's go check out a luxury home in one of San Francisco's most sought-after neighborhoods. Welcome to Lake Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath, single-family home with 3,790 square feet of living space, listed at $5.8 million. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by this formal living and dining room over to the right. It has a gas fireplace, tons of seating, nice huge formal dining area, and a nice bay window flooding the room with natural light. As we head towards the back of the house, we're now going to see there is a half bath with gorgeous wallpaper, nice light fixtures, marble countertop. The back of the house has a nice open floor plan with a floor-to-ceiling wall of glass opening to a terrace overlooking the backyard. The kitchen has a gorgeous marble island with counter seating and ample storage, a nice contemporary backsplash, a butler's pantry, a breakfast nook with built-in seating, and a climate-controlled wine room. As we make our way upstairs to the main bedroom level, we're going to go into the primary suite. It has a huge walk-in closet with custom built-ins. It has a nice seating area over here with a gas fireplace and additional closet on each side with custom built-ins, giving you tons of storage. This is a very spacious room, flooded with natural light, and there are 2 little balcony doors going out to the terrace as well. As we enter into the primary bathroom, it has skylights giving it tons of natural light, floor-to-ceiling subway tiles, double vanity, and a soaking tub that is wrapped in marble, giving it a true spa-like feeling. And I also love that there's a separate water closet tucked away for privacy. It's one of those details people love. As we make our way out to the hallway, there are 2 more bedrooms on this level. The rooms are very spacious. They have bay windows flooding the room with natural light. And they also have nice, spacious closets. This is the 3rd bedroom on this level. This room has really cute wallpaper, perfect kids' room, and another spacious closet. This actually has 2 closets in here, giving you tons of storage. As we go back out into the hallway, there is also a bathroom that these 2 bedrooms share. Full-size bathroom with both a tub and shower, double vanities, and that nice subway tile from floor to ceiling. On this level, there's also a washer and dryer. And as we go outside and up the spiral staircase, it leads us to this massive outdoor deck, giving you tons of space to entertain, and a nice little sun lounging area. On the lower level, there's also an in-law suite that has a living room that opens up to the backyard. And you also have a very spacious bedroom in here, plenty of room for a desk. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here. You have a nice walk-in closet with custom cabinets, full-size bathroom. And this has those floor-to-ceiling doors that open up to this nice, big, spacious backyard. As we go down the hallway on the lower floor, there is another laundry area here with gorgeous marble countertops, plenty of space for folding laundry, and another full-size bathroom down here. Just to recap, this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, single-family home, almost 4,000 square feet of living space, listed for $5.8 million in the coveted Lake Street neighborhood. If you want more information on this gorgeous home, make sure to reach out. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. My name's Lisa Vukovic, San Francisco luxury real estate agent, showing you the best homes on the market in San Francisco.